Hello guys, Python programmer back here with another video. So, are you ready to unlock the secret of mastering programming with ease? Say goodbye to the hard way of learning endless content through consumption. Discover a revolutionary system that guarantees your journey through creating exceptional programs. Get ready to transform your programming skills like never before. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you the system that takes what I think average programmers to astonishing programmers. So, the reason why this works is because just searching through hours and hours of content trying to learn it all. I mean, there's millions of content out there, and so it's not effective to do it that way. And it's not really effective to just load through books trying to find the perfect program to program, because one day you might learn a rubbish program, and then the next day you might learn a great program. So there's a system that takes care of all of that, and here is the system. So it's divided into 4 weeks, and on week 1 you're going to learn a really easy way to program that requires little to no work. And that just means program like a simple Pong game or a simple game. And then week 2, learn the basics of that Pong game or program, etc. And then week 3, present the Pong game or whatever program you've created to someone. And then week 4, build a new program from the basics, from the basic concepts you've just learned. And then why this works is because the first week you learn a program, a very, very easy program, and then the second week you learn how the program actually works. The third week you teach the program to somebody to show that you actually have learned it. And then the last week you learn a new program based off the concepts you've just learned. And then really quickly, if you want more programming videos and you thought this video was valuable, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications bell, and I'll see you in my next video.